Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday the 16th of July and I have already been back to work for a whole week, you guys. Honestly, it was tough. It's been very difficult to try and get back to normal, try and get back to having a normal routine, a normal schedule where you wake up, go to work, get back home, have dinner, whatever. And I've been feeling a little tired. I know it's gonna take me a little bit of time because it's not like, you know, going to bed at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and waking up at 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. Anyway, today is my first day off this week. I managed to pull 7 days in a row and not gonna lie, it was not that fun. What I have planned for today is just to relax, really. I don't really have a specific plan. I'm just gonna do a quick, light, you know, everyday makeup, and I'll be taking you with me for the day. This could potentially turn into a week vlog, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, apart from that, I'm really excited that everything is going back to normal. Restaurants are back up and running again. Not sure about nightclubs though. I think they're still not open, but at least I'm happy that the restaurants are open. You can go out and eat again and just have a nice time. By the way, please ignore my gross nail situation. I've been very upset about the fact that hair and nail salons are not open yet, but restaurants are open. What I'm gonna do in terms of makeup is just something very light. So this is pretty much my base. I'm keeping it very light and neutral, just so you know it looks more natural. And then for my eyes, I'm just gonna grab this Ciate x Chloe Morello palette. I believe this is discontinued, but my friend Jasmine here on YouTube sent this to me, and this palette is really pretty. But it has some pretty amazing colors in here, and there's some beautiful pop of colors over here. I've been mainly using this shade over here, but I've tried some of the shimmers down here as well, so I can definitely say that this palette is really pretty. Too bad it's discontinued though. So on a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna grab this color right here, which is called Nini. Ooh.
Hey. You bad boy.
Jenny. Nope. Hard pass.
Olivia. Olivia. Olivia.
Okay. Sure. Alright, makeup is almost done. And now for lips, I'm gonna go with the Honey Cosmetics lip kit in the shade Hanban. This has been my favorite lip kit for ages now, ever since I bought it. And you can see the lip pencil's been used quite a bit. And then also the lipstick is a really gorgeous shade. This is Imagination here on YouTube's own brand, and I think she is amazing and I wanted to support her brand. So you go, girl. I really love your lip kits. There you go. This is the perfect shade for me to overline my lips because it looks very natural. Whereas if I go with like my Mina Cosmetics pencil or my MAC, which one is it? My MAC Spice. It's a bit warm to overline with, but this is sort of like a cooler tone, so it definitely works better than my other two favorite lip liners. And for lipstick, I'm gonna go with the same brand and just put it on. And there we go. So this is the finished makeup look. I will blow dry my hair and then I'll be right back. I blow dried my hair and this is how it looks like. I didn't do the best job ever in the world, but it's still looking okay. We're probably gonna go out to the pub this evening. I haven't gone out in so long, ever since lockdown, so it's been like, well, 4 months? 4 months. It's been a while. So yeah, I'm really excited that we're gonna just, you know, go out, get a few drinks, maybe get some food as well. And I might be able to take you guys with me. I cannot believe we're finally out, like 4 months later, and we're finally in a pub having a beer and chicken wings as well. I'm gonna make sure to insert a clip to show you. They look really good as well. But yeah, I'm really happy to finally get out after 4 months of just staying at home. Not that I'm complaining that I was home, because it was pretty great, but you know, it's nice being out once in a while, having a cold beer. Nothing beats a cold Stella. What's up, guys? It's the next day, which is my second day off this week and last. So I'm gonna do some stuff around the house. I need to show you. Yeah. Say hi to Svet.
Hello.
I'm gonna do some stuff around the house and I'm gonna show you my tomato garden later on because it's getting very crazy. So I've made myself a little to-do list which I'm gonna tackle today, and I would have had 2 very productive days off. Not that yesterday was productive because I didn't do really anything apart from do my nails, but you know, you get me. Are you not hungry, baby? Oh, yes you are. Yes, you are. And there's the 2 other ones. Thomas, don't eat your sister's food. What you doing, baby boy? Baby boy. What you doing?
Oi. My cute little boy.
So this is my to-do list for today. I'm going to get in the garden and fix the tomatoes because I need a little bit of cutting up and tying up. Then I'm going to do some laundry because that's well overdue. Then I need to tidy up the bedroom as well as dust and hoover because it's getting very stuffy in there and it's just not pleasant. And then I need to do my food prep for tomorrow and get my clothes ready. So this is my little list for today, and I'm gonna start by tackling my tomato garden. But first I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is my tomato garden. It's getting pretty crazy. Some of them need to get cut up because they're getting as big as bushes, and look at this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then you can see here as well. And look at this. I think these are the biggest ones, but I need to have a look around. And then look at this, just a little bit above there's these small ones. Thanks plane, just in time. So basically what I do is I cut the middle branch here that you see, which allows the plant to grow taller basically and healthier. And you can see it here as well. So there's 3 here. I'm gonna cut that middle one. Then there's my roses as well. I've got some mint, which has some pretty flowers as well. And then I wanted to show you, this is the only cucumber that survived, and you can see that I already have some little baby cucumbers over here. They're so cute, I swear. And as you can see, I've got lots of like flowers. I believe these are flowers that they're called, but from these pretty much you're supposed to have a cucumber each. And then I bought this from Wilco, this black thingy, and then we just tie the cucumber up so it grows up basically. And then there's some more tomatoes over here which also need to be tackled. So yeah, there you go. And also these are my other plants. So this is beans. This is what it was called. I forgot what it was called. I'll figure it out in a minute. And then these are black beans. So regular beans, forgot the name, black beans. All right.
Hey baby, what you doing, baby? What you doing? What you doing? Are you hiding from mama? Are you hiding?
So just before I go in, I wanted to show you what I'm going to use. So basically these are you know, the cleaning kind of towels that you use. These are like the single-use ones. Well, stay here. So these are the single-use ones. I just cut them up and use them to tie the tomatoes. I find them that they're very gentle on the plant and they last a very long time, so these do the job really well. I used to use the, what's it called, the gardening string one, but I found that it's really harsh on the tomato, so last year I used those, but this year I'm just sticking to these. Then I'm just gonna need scissors to cut the branches we don't need, and then don't forget the gloves because tomatoes stain like a bitch. And yeah, let's just tackle this mess behind me. And I'm probably like the most high maintenance person going into the garden with sunglasses, but oh well. Oh my god, I look absolutely crazy. Okay, we managed to sort the tomatoes and it definitely looks a lot more manageable. I'm just going to show you. And this is about what we managed to take off. So it looks very, very nice and presentable.
Thomas, what you doing? Thomas? Thomas? I wanted to show you guys, these are my biggest ones so far. They're like almost like the size of my palm, so I'm really happy with them. So excited. Hope they're gonna get red soon. Isn't that right, mate? Thomas? All the best.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
Alright, so I tidied up, changed the bedding, hoovered and dusted the entire room, and I'm pretty much done. And that's one duty ticked off for today. Alright, so this is our little list for today. So tomatoes I managed to do in the morning. Svet helped me with the laundry, so he did that. I tidied up the bedroom, dusted and hoovered upstairs. All I need to do is just prep my clothes. I added a workout as well to my to-do list, but let's see, because I just ate a few hours ago, so I don't know. And it's really hot, but I'm gonna try to do the workout as well. Just finished my workout. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweaty AF. I usually train with this guy, Sammy Hosny. If you don't know who he is, go check it out. He trains every day live at 5 p.m. British Standard Time, and I think it's 7 p.m. And this is the result. Heading off to the shower. So it's a few days later, and I think I'm just gonna end the video here purely because it's gonna be way too long. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments down below. I could potentially turn this into a weekly thing, but we shall see. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me out. And I guess I'll see you on the next one.